Nafuna lo. Ngibandile. Bandile nobanele.
Why mina unika umfitshane? Ngisho manje ngithethe umfitshane.
Chomo wena umuntu omfitshane because umfitshane. Umuntu umfitshane.
Wena lo
umfitshane.
Ungangitshela.
Oh, every time I take her money.
Guys, iphume groove.
Every time I take her money.
Guys, iphume groove. I just took a shower.
I just took
Tapube wethu utholethelete obinali maZulu bana bamashaka Zulu.
Hey guys, how are you doing? 12.
Guys,
you guys are not asleep. Why are you not sleeping?
Why are you not sleeping?
At this time? Why are you dating? Why there's 13 people?
Thank you, Frankie, for our roses, but like I want more. You are not sleeping yourself. I'm telling you, I'm from Grove right now.
Rachel.
Yeah, Bammanere. Kimango Edile. Rachel, Kima.
Book. I don't know when I go. Go to sales meeting. I'm going to doesn't come. Yeah, what I'm going to kushintsha amawallpaper ish angeke vele ngibakusebusuku but ngibona into ohlezi.
Thank you, Frankie.
Ngibona into ohlezi yenza ukuthi mawulokhu unlock ifoni wenza so amawallpaper ashintsha namhlanje ngifundisa uThobek ngiphiza ngathi masikho umfundisi athi uzongibhatala imali $50 kuthi mina ha so $50 that's a band asimanga $20 that's rice every day. You need to find me like you love me.
Yes, what is it? Oh, mina ngifundisa unathi lesitali mina ngisazi angishwelang. Okay, yes, what is it? Salokho a break yenza ngazathi ngcono. Bashouta ke ho ratile bathini uza athi bad. One day ngathi khayena ke. Ngafika. Lapho nami ngihayi. This year nge-Creative Industry Festival.
Angikaze atheka kuba. Angikaze atheke ethu.
Yes. Yeah. Watheka beku atheka egroupini. The time I called ubanisisana. Sisana Thobeka. Kim Thobeka
Nontobe.
Musunu wa nudity shem. Musunu wa nudity.
Nudity
I can see next.
Nudity.
Nontobeko. Wamthethisa uDuhatile. Hey. Wena hlothi uzamari hazali hi nan. Madam wasatha like 3 days. Angisho wena untshela ukuthi usibadle u10 shabo nje. Wathatha 3 days or 2 amisa amarehezana. The time afika umthethise ngithi hlezi nijaja abanye abantu ukuthi bona benza idakamizwa kade nina nisiboni. Izobulala idakamizwa ziyeke girl. Nasho so nathi ziyeke girl cause ngasi dukumisisa namarehezana uyabona thina siyasituba kodwa sikho lapho. Yeke idakamizwa.
And that's how business I show. Ukuthi vele.
Kodwa yazi ngibone ngani ukuthi ngabashonini because the time usomtshela ule ukuthi umbonile because ngibisho the reaction engitholile the time attack because uvela waphathwa nazo
Nathi ayazi.
Wavela waphathwa nazo because ngishilo ngathi yo ninabanye hlezi nijaja abanye abantu kodwa nizalana nenza idakamizwa because unjani mawunje because bayathanda I don't want because amehla aba red because awakhe vela a small waba ready. Waba ready ngathi angisho abamjali babamathi abona into be ngaphuma
and sifika le ukuthi abamjali kanjani kumuntu owazi ukukhasha njengomuntu uyakhasha ukukhasha uthathe inamba enze so ngisahadla ngesikhe
yehlisa umoya
ngisendleleni
senyalala
wayingalali kanti
no Tommy I mean like that's very rich coming from her because they're always making noise even if they took a shower they're always making noise so that's very rich coming from her. She's here busy telling us hey you guys are making so what so fucking what this is our unit also we have
sorry why you say what you say because it was
okay last time A left Bahama they came back drunk and they were making noise. Did she go to them and said you guys are making noise? Imagine why is she coming to us?
I'm sure she didn't.
Why is she
good morning
good morning and Tina we didn't tell her to take her clothes to
and we are not
to her home
that much we are just laughing
Mina nyege I'm gonna answer the door. What's my king? When hey, my security tatamu. Kotata man na wala to na mo kiba mo to mo to. O polane. Oh, I'm security tata sa basa sa wala sa silna ma security. Your Capitec number. To me, I don't have Capitec number. I have Capitec account. I have Capitec account. I have Capitec account, not number. Account number 1761 1761 535607. Yes. Account number 1761 53.
I know mine. Can I tell you mine?
What a scam! Sidage, sasa zobe sikirigeta, sibize na my account number. Fuse khala phansi.
Akabe scam account number too. Do you want to have my account number? I know my account number by head. It's 17784558784. What's the lap 5 win?
5 in bottom.
Oh,
is that a continue? I can't 7. What you 4? What you have 5? But the time we go to 4, then I have 5.
Yeah, but it's that. It's
because it's bigger than
5.
6 months. The time you go to 5, and that's why I say because when after 5, when to 6.
Send and also. Manjalo uthuleleni because sina stranded asikhona ukubholta ngenxa ngaphandle kwakhe. Uthuleleni.
And uyasijayela.
Because size ngayi.
Uyasijayela. Ucabanga ukuthi sizosebenza
kuphi? What do you mean kuphi? Because I just
Njenganje nje uthi thina la sikhona sidakwe simanzi intwe.
Bamanzi inte.
Bamanzi inte.
Uyabona ukuthi uzokhanya ngaphandle sibhekile. Kuzobheka because of
we gonna fly.
You're gonna fly.
How are you, Hoputo? I'm good, and how are you?
You need to find me like you love.
Echo, asakhuluma indaba ke. Yo yaka Blondie. Morning.
Yo, uthabile. Yo, mina ngingenizwe imali umntana. Yo. Tomorrow like hey wena like aseba like fully. Marabuwa cho.
Lilene musunu wa hayi wa seba.
Ubona lokho.
Echo